This NFT trend has the potential to make you guys a lot of money. Now, guys, keep in mind this is a very, very long-term, high-conviction play, but of course, not financial advice. Without wasting any time, let's hop right into it. What am I talking about? So, guys, today we're going to be talking about the Ethereum Name Service, ENS for short. So, essentially, these are called ENS domains, which basically links this domain to your wallet address. So, instead of having this combination of letters and numbers that people have to type in order to send you ETH, they can just type in your ETH domain address. For example, mine is gisei.eth right here. You can see it. So instead of typing in my entire wallet address, they can just send that to gisei.eth. Now, why are people making money off of this? This is just a username thing, so what's going on? Well, let me tell you guys. So, what's really been popping off lately are 3-digit and 4-digit domains. Now, we've seen with social medias like Instagram and Twitter and all that stuff that 3 and 4, digit or 3 and 4 letter usernames are basically coveted as like a rare resource. And we're seeing the same thing with this Ethereum name service. I mean, it's one of the most widely used services in the crypto space. A lot of people have one, pretty much everyone does. So we're seeing these 3 and 4 digit ones really pop on. The 3-digit ones being the most rare because they're only 1,000 of them in existence. So of course those are going to be a lot more rare. But with the 4-digit ENS domains, we're seeing those pop off because of collections like Bored Ape Yacht Club or Mutant Ape Yacht Club to certain extents. With Bored Ape Yacht Club, say for example, if I go over to my profile here, I have 4125.eth, right? I bought this at 0.4. I think the floor for 4-digit domains is sitting at like 0.66. So this is the Bored Ape Yacht Club. This is the Bored Ape right here. We're seeing a lot of these Bored Ape owners buying the names and the letters that correlate with their Bored Ape. So now we might see something similar with 5-digit domains just because Mutant Ape Yacht Club also goes up to that. I think their collection size is like 18,000. So we could see somewhat of a similar run with Mutant Ape Yacht Club. But our focus today is the 3-digit and 4-digit domains. Now, this isn't just digits, guys. Like those are the main topic of today's video. But let me tell you guys, let me give you guys a little bit of alpha here, not financial advice. So my price predictions for the 3-digit domains are around 5 to 10 ETH conservatively. It could go much higher. It could not go there, but those are my price predictions. For the 4-digit domains, I would say my price predictions are 1 to 3 ETH, somewhere around there. Also a conservative number. Could hit 2. I'm thinking 2, but I've got it listed at 1 just in case. So those are my price predictions for those 3-digit and 4-digit numbers. Now, let's talk about what else you guys can get into, because it's not just numbers. It's also companies and stuff like that. Obviously, we have people that own like Microsoft.eth and stuff like that. We have these huge companies that are coming into Web3 and buying these domains for absurd prices because they can afford to, right? So we can see mine right over here, gisei.eth. Feel free to test it out, Feel free to test it out. Just send some ETH over, that should be fun. But for example, like fintech companies, which means financial tech, or upcoming Web3 companies that also have funding. Now, these are going to be really big in the future. If they do move over and try to buy these ENS names, you're going to be the person who owns them. For example, I own this one right here, neatcapital.eth. Not a crazy company, but they do have some funding. And if they decide to move over into the Web3 space, then, well, I have that domain. Now, I'm not a huge whale when it comes to these domains, but I know people who own hundreds upon hundreds of these domains and just stack them up like it's nothing. You can search up upcoming Web3 companies. If you do a lot of research and find these Web3 companies, some upcoming ones that already have funding, this can be super big for you guys. Now, you guys might be holding the bag for a while because, like I said, this is an extremely long-term conviction play. Obviously, Binance and Coinbase and Ripple and all that stuff is already taken, no dip. But if you guys can find those more obscure up-and-coming Web3 companies, then you might have a good chance of making a big bag off of these ENS usernames. Now, I'm going to show you guys a website. If you're feeling like you missed out, it's okay. Don't. This website is called ens.vision. And so essentially what you can do here is look at some 3-number and 4-number ENS usernames that are either available or about to expire. Now, more than likely, you're not going to find a 3-number one for less than 3 to 5 ETH already. So I wouldn't, unless you have that kind of liquid laying around, I wouldn't be investing in this. Some 4-number ones you might be able to find. They might be expiring soon. There are some 3-number ones that also are expiring soon. For example, this one, 0110, that one will be expiring soon, sometime around July. But these 4-number ones in general are just going to be a lot easier for you to get if you can find them. Personally, I think I got a little bit lucky. I bought in at 0.4, and I think the floor for 4-digit numbers is sitting around 0.66. So we're going up slowly, and it's been getting offers. But anyways, guys, I just wanted this to be a super quick, super brief video. If you guys are wanting to hop on this, now, guys, keep in mind, like I said, this is a super long-term play, and this is not financial advice, but it could yield some great results in the future. That is just my personal opinion. Personally, I'm super bullish on this, and it's a high conviction play. I've got a lot of conviction in this. But if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like for the YouTube algorithm. And if there's something you guys want to see next, be sure to leave a comment down below. Do you guys own one of these ENS domains, or are you looking to get one? If you guys want to see more videos from me, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another upload. And I will see you guys later.